Welcome back, frequent flower subscribers. Today we're going to create a cut arrangement using daffodils, pussy willow, and aurelia that you got in your frequent flower subscription. But I'm giving you a challenge. I want you to go outside and forage a little bit. So I cut from my yard this morning a little bit of this quince branch. I've got some white blooming branches that I believe are some sort of pear tree. And then I also I had the really small little grape hyacinth blooms. I cut a few of those to work with as well. So that's my challenge to you, is go forage a little bit in nature and let that lead your design this month for the frequent flower subscription. I do want to give you a couple of tips about the daffodils you're receiving today. These daffodils came straight from Holland to our shop and now to you. So when you get daffodils, they may still be tight and closed, and that's perfectly fine. It does not take long for them to open at all, and it's really fun to watch that process. The other thing to note is daffodils do not always play well with others. When they are first cut, they will produce a sap that can clog the stems of other cut flowers, shortening their vase life. What I recommend that you do is go ahead, give your daffodils a trim, put them in their own vase of water, and allow them to sit for about an hour. When you're trimming them, keep in mind what you might be doing with your arrangement, so that way you don't have to recut them again when placing them and mixing and mingling with your other flowers. So just to recap on that, you're going to go ahead and cut your daffodils to the length that you'll use them in your arrangement, place them in their own water for about an hour, allow that sap to drain out a little bit before you place them into your arrangement. All right, let's get started.